this?
All right, here it is. I got you.
They're not that big. It's okay.
Go for it.
Okay,
That's some bullshit.
Hit him.
That's some bullshit. You are.
Shall we go smoke?
Yeah.
Stash of weed? 10 minutes away?
Definitely.
This way?
Yeah.
Instead of standing here like 8 hours? Let's go.
Yeah, I'm done.
And some Cards Against Humanity.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Interesting outfit.
I know, right?
Why not go to
are we
Austin
here?
or something? Find some hipster guys, you know? Or go to Houston and get some, you know, some Cowboys. Does it? I've never been.
Oh yeah. Have you been to Texas?
I've been to Austin, yeah.
Austin. Okay, Austin. I like those like I like kind of like nerdy dudes, you know.
We can tell.
They were talking about my
Fuck y'all.
We can tell.
Okay. What's your type?
Not nerdy.
No.
What do you think my type is?
You like them educated girls. You like them,
Oh yeah.
I like educated.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
them smart ass
Sure.
girls.
Girl that
For
thinks
sure.
she knows something. So we can argue about some douchey shit.
Those girls
I want
that
someone
know-
I can argue with some contentious, like, intellectual shit.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what everybody's looking for,
I want
right?
to get in an argument about, like, post-structural feminism.
Oh,
This
hell
first question's like,
yeah.
what's
That's
two
fun.
plus
That's
Hell
to
yeah.
me. That's
That
fun.
is
Plus
fun.
two.
That debate. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That shit turns me on. Like, tell me I'm fucking wrong. You know what I'm saying?
He'll
I'm
hand
like-
him a math problem. Solve this now.
And I'm like,
Do this calculus equation for me.
Do my homework.
Do my homework.
Do this shit
Oh
now.
yeah.
Do you guys smoke Hollywood? Smoke? Do you guys smoke weed?
can they handle it? Is a question. Fair
Yeah,
question.
can they handle it?
I don't know if they can actually.
I don't think so.
She seems like she seemed kind of timid about it too.
Are you gonna show us her? What if you fall in
No,
love with
don't
someone
think so.
else though?
They can handle it for a second.
Wait, hold on.
So I don't know what to do.
You're more creative than that. You're way more intelligent than that.
I'm not intelligent. I have a 5 IQ.
He's telling us that he's woke.
Woke?
Did he just say he's woke? He's the opposite of woke.
I'm way
He's
more-
e-cow. He's e-cow. He's woke in reverse.
I'm listening to the
He's
woke
the
content
patriarchy.
right now.
So
He's not woke. He's the
kind of a genius.
patriarchy.
Archer's more like a genius. He's like but he's strictly logical.
But like
It's
a mad genius.
It's like there's like numbers falling in his head all the time.
Like a Facebook
That's
CEO
that's how
type.
his brain works.
Oh, I'm sure.
As opposed to the rest of us, we're just emotional idiots. We just go with the flow. He's more like just everything's calculated.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You seem like the
Interesting.
type. You seem like the type.
Me?
I can see numbers running behind your eyes.
He plays Monopoly. So
Yeah.
He'll play Monopoly. Art kind of shifty.
Monopoly was the dead
Can't trust
giveaway.
Monopoly players.
Wait, did you ever finish a game?
Oh.
Don't say yes. Nobody's ever finished a game.
No
I
one.
was really
Nobody
close.
finished.
I was really close. to
He just
finishing
played
it
me till everybody
every
Somebody
time.
just gives up. Somebody just gives up. That's
Oh
how
yeah,
Monopoly
that
works.
no. What are y'all doing right now?
Yeah, what are you-
Oh my
what are you guys
gosh.
doing?
Y'all are totally like analyzing.
I like
Judging. Judging.
Totally judging
Judging.
right now.
They're admiring your tan.
But yeah, my palms on tan.
That Texas tan.
Lord of the Rings joke. That just sounds bad. Oh shit.
Gandalf.
No, that's Gandalf. The other one.
One of the rings, you asshole!
You are a nerd! You are a nerd! That was a test and you failed! It's Dumbledore! Dumbledore! Dumbledore!
I'm Dumbledore.
You're Dumbledore. You're a Dumbledore, but even sexier than the normal Dumbledore.
Oh my god, you guys! You guys!
Here, I have an idea.
Wait, but Dumbledore's a badass.
That's what we're getting
He
at.
beats Voldemort one-on-one. He kicks Voldemort's ass.
Okay, Dumbledore
He
is
kicks
a
Voldemort's
badass.
ass.
Okay, if you were to like,
He kicks Voldemort's ass.
No, he's a badass. It's just weird hearing him as being a badass. Nobody's ever said Dumbledore. Man, you know Dumbledore, he's a badass. Right, bro?
Dumbledore is a badass. Okay, I'd be Dumbledore any day of the week.
I dare
okay?
you to get 2 tattoos that say Dumbledore.
Dude, I would get the
double O.
The fucking
Double O,
triangle.
D-O-R. Shadow of
I'm a shadow.
Mordor.
You guys, if I'm not Dumbledore in my next life, I'm gonna come for one of y'all. I really am.
Come for all of
I
us.
really am.
Just
Yeah.
went from like
Haunt
being
us. I like
really
being haunted.
cutesy to being very cynical and scary. Like that was a
Whoa,
flip.
I'm scary for sure.
Terrifying.
See, I'll go with my like.
Dude,
Don't
she
let
sounds
the
like a poltergeist.
size. Don't let the size. Shut up, poltergeist.
You know what that is?
Think about it.
Yes.
Yeah, like, do you hear the words? All right, if you put that on like a teleprompter, it's like literally, if you guys don't blink, I'm coming for you in the next life. You said that shit.
I am going to
If she was-
possess
dude, if she
you.
wasn't so like, if she
But in a
wasn't
hot
cute,
way.
Yeah, definitely in a hot way, you know?
In a sexy way.
Like tie up to
not
bed.
All right, where is the dispenser? That's your definition of hot. Interesting.
It's more
All right.
like
No, I'm very vanilla, like for sure.
She said lying. Now you're giving me Stassi vibes. That's who you remind me of. Stassi.
No, I got
Stop, I love you. That's so nice.
Stassi. Especially when you said that, I was like, the evil, like, I get
So
that.
nice. Oh
The
my
darkness,
God.
yeah.
I'm gonna remember that.
They're way more famous.
Where's
than we
this
are.
dispensary?
We're kind of soft. Nobody likes us.
No.
People hate us.
Gee.
We have no
Here,
friends.
I have an idea. Why don't we go to the dispensary
Nah, I mean,
and then play cards again,
Now girls hate us.
Oh, wait,
Men-
wait.
then
no,
get
no,
dinner.
No, dinner though.
and then get dinner.
I'm like really hungry.
I like fries.
Then they get some steak. I hope none of you are vegan.
Yeah, no, definitely not vegan. I was vegan at one point for like 6 months.
It's hard.
Did you watch Seaspiracy?
Whoa!
Of course.
Whoa!
Oh my God, thank
Arthur
you.
watched
a lot of
so
those
good.
movies.
So
Arthur
old
is
for
like
that.
Arthur's
Yeah,
Jesus
documentaries,
Christ.
yeah.
If Jesus Christ is 20%.
I watched the one with Joaquin Phoenix.
What is that?
The one about the vegans Joaquin Phoenix did.
What the hell? Okay, bye.
But it was about murdering chickens and cows. And they show them like
I saw that.
crying.
Serious, right?
And they try to make you feel bad.
Yeah.
Seriously.
And it made me feel bad.
Wait, where's the
Seriously,
dispensary?
seriously, I got this.
Hey, Ty, where's the dispensary?
I was gonna say.
Got an Uber there. We can die.
Like stick out in
It literally took me.
I do have weed.
Do you? Like how much?
Like,
It might not even be legal. And you should probably do something about it.
I'm like,
It's
as
got a
long
little
as
too
you have
much.
a mountain, as long as we're in
nah.
like
Well,
a...
I'm like more the pothead than everybody in my group. So everybody just like gives me gifts of weed, and my birthday was on the 20th of last month. So I have more weed than
Wait,
a
so
test.
what's your sign then?
I'm a Pisces on like Pisces.
Yeah, I know. It's
I'm a
bad. It's bad.
Capricorn.
Yeah, it's bad.
Ah, we're both water signs.
Pisces is bad.
I'm a Capricorn.
Oh no.
I know, I'm so sorry. But I'm on like the verge of like a Sagittarius. I know.
Demon,
I'm fucking
demon,
evil.
yeah,
I'm
devil.
fucking
Type that I would like
evil,
try.
you guys.
We all know that.
I know.
We accept you despite.
Oh, yeah.
I still like you. I just because of our.
We don't like nice girls.
Because we don't have the right signs for each other. I mean, like.
No, I think that Pisces is compatible. No?
I don't know. You've already sold in my head that I have to put like a cross your forehead or something. I want to watch you melt into the ground.
Like a lot of garlic, just like...
Only sexually compatible, but like not getting along conversationally.
No, what the fuck? How much do you work out?
I need like throw a
Like you don't
hole
want to
in
get pregnant kind of situation.
I'm impressed, girl. Damn,
She's
look at
too-
this.
No, I
She's
got
too
some-
tiny to have a six.
Okay,
That's some
Hit
bullshit.
him, hit him.
That's some bullshit. You are complete bullshit. I don't
So
trust
I
none
was
of you.
like-
now.
I was
don't trust
telling-
none of
I
this.
don't work out. I don't work
Listen,
out.
I was
I
telling
just
Candy-
told him I was gonna be in a
Girls,
bikini
girls don't work out.
competition.
Girls don't work out. It's
You
not
told me
true.
that,
We don't
yeah.
believe
I
you.
also did.
No, we don't believe you. They don't work
Yeah.
out.
I
Girls
was
don't.
telling Candy.
I just eat chicken pad thai every day and just like pray for the best, you know.
One.
Okay.
Y'all, I could definitely do a cartwheel
Squad
right
for
now,
Jesus.
though. For real.
All right, here,
Squad
hold
for
your drinks.
Jesus.
Go for it.
Like
Have
a round
fun. Have
dog?
fun.
afraid, like, if I get attacked.
Go for it.
Okay,
Go
wait,
for
wait,
it.
wait.
No, let's do a squad.
Yo, my boobs are gonna fall
All right, here it is.
out.
I got you. I got
They're
you.
not that
Go for
big.
it.
It's okay.
Go for it. Oh no! Don't do it. Actually, I take it back. Ellie, don't do it. No! No! No!
Do it.
No!
Do
No!
it.
Don't hurt nobody.
I feel like I'd be there.
She did that really well. That was actually really impressive.
Yes.
That was pretty impressive.
Aw, thanks,
Yeah.
thanks.
All right, now you have to marry her.
What kind of drink is this? This is a garbage bag. This looks like you got this at like this is like one of those Glad Mad
This has
commercials.
been through some
This-
shit. I'm not gonna
Dude,
lie.
this looks like a garbage bag.
Been through some
You
shit.
get off?
Give me my garbage bag back.
Hey, one sec.
You.
1 sec.
Fuck you.
We need to get you some cloth ones. Not because there's anything wrong with your mask,
Okay, got
but
it.
because you could do better. All right, that's like.
I could definitely do better. This is where I'm at right now.
It sounds like
though.
every time
in my
she
life,
meets a guy.
This is like.
That's a representation.
No, wait, look,
Actually, a
look.
thong.
This is
This is a thong.
What is bullshit? This is rewashable.
This is
That
a-
thing you put that in a washer once it melts.
What's that thing? Like
Look at
a
this.
banana thong or whatever.
Wait.
Exactly. Except no banana.
So your brother is.
Got it.
God, definitely. Just drop it on the ground. You got this. Hey. You're beautiful, baby.
Thank you.
Wait.
Yeah. We gotta make sure nothing's
I
going
gotta
on there.
cover these babies, you know? I got so much going on for me that I really
I know how you
gotta,
feel.
you
I know how you feel.
Exactly.
I gotta be
Exactly.
careful.
I gotta cover it up.
My boob job, I don't want it to show.
God forbid, you know? God
My
forbid.
injections, you know. All right.
Okay.
Shall we go smoke?
Yeah.
Stash of weed? 10 minutes away?
Definitely.
This way?
Yeah.
Instead of standing here like 8 hours? Let's go.
Yeah, I'm done.
And some Cards Against Humanity.
Yes. Are we
This way.
moving? Are we moving? Yeah,
We're moving. We've been standing way too long.
You gotta herd the cattle.
Yeah.
You know? Wait, where are y'all
Used to be a
staying?
manager. Kevin,
Yeah.
lives here.
Okay.
So he has an apartment. I'm staying with him.
Is his actual name Kevin?
No.
Okay, what is it?
What he didn't give you a real name. He gave you a
Okay.
stripper name. I'm not supposed to give you the real
Derek.
name.
Derek.
Derek.
I feel like he's a
That's
Derek.
such a Mormon name.
Because he's like, no, that's like a douchebag name, I feel like.
But a hot douchebag?
But a hot dude. Exactly,
Hey, he's a hot
exactly.
douchebag. I'll let him
Throw in a
know
hot
tomorrow,
douchebag.
later.
Okay, cool. Yeah, don't blow my cover tonight. Yeah.
Like after
that'd
you've
be
gone
bad.
back home, I'll let you know
Exactly.
he's a hot douchebag.
Exactly.
That's the type to be. I know it. I know all of it. And like her husband, Bo, I thought he's way too good for her.